How does Sukuk investing differ from bonds? Imagine you're looking for a way to grow your money while staying true to your faith. You might come across two options, Sukuk and bonds. They seem similar at first glance, but they have some key differences that matter a lot for halal investing. Let's explore what sets them apart. Sukuk are based on ownership of real assets or projects. When you buy Sukuk, you're actually buying a share of a tangible asset or a specific project. You own part of something like a building or infrastructure and earn profits from it. Bonds, on the other hand, are simply loans you give to companies or governments. When you buy a bond, you're lending money and expecting fixed interest payments over time. Another major difference is asset backing and compliance with Islamic law. Sukuk must be backed by assets that follow Islamic principles. This means they can't be linked to industries like alcohol, gambling, or interest-based financial institutions. Bonds do not have these restrictions and can fund any project as long as it meets local laws. This makes Sukuk more aligned with halal investing rules. Profit sharing is also a key point. Sukuk investors share in the profits or losses of the underlying asset. If the project does well, you earn more. If it struggles, your returns can decrease. Bonds pay fixed interest regardless of how well the issuer performs. This fixed return is considered riba, which is not allowed in Islamic finance. Pricing is different too. Sukuk prices depend on the market value of the assets they are linked to. If the asset's value changes, so does the Sukuk's price. Bonds are valued based on the issuer's credit rating and prevailing interest rates, not on any specific asset. When it comes to selling, Sukuk are transferred by changing ownership of the underlying assets. Selling Sukuk means transferring your share of the asset. Selling bonds involves transferring the debt obligation, not ownership of any physical asset. In summary, Sukuk are designed to be compliant with Islamic laws by focusing on asset ownership and profit sharing. Bonds are more traditional debt instruments that pay fixed interest and are not restricted by Islamic rules. For halal investors, Sukuk offer a way to invest in fixed income-like returns while respecting their faith. They are often used for projects like infrastructure or corporate funding, where assets can be clearly identified and structured to meet Islamic standards.